Alrighty, let's start with GJ. Weekly flow, you already know, currently bullish. Why? Because the higher lows are maintaining. So what does that mean for the daily? It means that I'm pulling out bullish fibs on the daily, right? And now, current trend for the daily is also bullish. Why? Because when price made support here, all we did was test this level. Bearish candle, bullish candle, that equals a test of support. So on the 4 hour, we will once again pull out our bullish fibs and use it like that. Arm, let's see what is this? Point A and AM point B. This doesn't really good because it's not an actual place where things broke. This would make the most sense. And we had a little 38.2 level there. So yeah, I would keep it where it is, my current fib. And since the 4 hour is currently maintaining higher lows, I would just I have an engulfing now. Like yesterday, my signal for entry was this higher low. It had to have been because we made this support. We made this support here, which was a higher low compared to this one. And then we had this, which is exactly what I wanted to see because it was an engulfing and higher low. And those are my favorite entries. It's like a double whammy. What I really would like to see is because you have a really nice and strong engulfing on a 30-minute, which could easily be enough. But if you wanted to wait for more confirmation, I would wait for another higher low to form before entering. But I think the 30-minute engulfing is strong enough for me. Now for gold, it's interesting because it started coming below this area like it was going to do something, but you're not going to do nothing. I still have a very bullish bias, right? Because again, look at where we are on the weekly. If we look at the current weekly trend, if you look at what's being maintained on the weekly price chart, it's support. It's support. And price came back here, right back to that support level. I'm gonna buy until my panties fall off. Absolutely. So we have higher lows all still being maintained on the 4 hour. Get rid of these fibs, get rid of this. And this little trend line is from here, and this support hitting that support comes test this level. I like gold buys. I just think that the stop loss is aggressive. Stop is a little crazy. But here's the thing. If you were buying around 8, let's get into the details. Price created support when it said bearish, bullish, right? And then it maintained support when you had another bearish candle and this candle right here, this bullish engulfing candle to even more confirm the fact that, hey, I don't think we're going to go bearish. So in a way, it's like a little double bottom. To take buys right now, I think it would go well. I just don't like the stop. Now the stop is very big, but hell no. Stop is very big, but at the same time, I do think price can continue bullish. And now for GU, daily is bullish, right? Daily is bullish, so we go to the 4 hour, use some bullish fibs. It's in the 38.2 area, so it's definitely okay to take buys. Matter of fact, it's highly encouraged. I think GU is fine for buys right now. Like, I think you're good on taking them. Since the 4 hour was so bodacious in this last move, it might take more than just a 15-minute confirmation. I would probably want to see something on the 30-minute or 1 hour. And if that's the case, you have a 1 hour beautiful engulfing right here. Not only does it engulf this candle, but it engulfs the candle after that. So hell yeah. But if you wanted to get a sexier entry, all you would have been doing was just buy right after the 8 o'clock candle finishes that 30-minute candle, because that was an engulfing. So I either like 30-minute engulfing or 15-minute engulfing and higher low or double bottom. I don't like to use just the 15-minute engulfing on its own because I realize it's not that strong of a confirmation, especially if your 4 hour is not this tight, right? When the 4 hour has a lot more movement to it, like how GU is looking, then I might want to use the 30-minute or 1 hour time frame for confirmations on the entries. But and I'll bring up the dollar again. But it's interesting because let's see, on the weekly, I still think it's bullish. Like we had this, it has to be bullish. You know why? Because when price created this support, we had a bearish bullish right after it. And we know that's a test. Let's say, okay, I want to see if price is going to break this level. Then you get a bearish candle. You're waiting for the next candle. If it's bearish, you broke it. If it's bullish, you tested it. So you would buy after that. That's exactly what happened. All we did was test the support. So I still have the dollar getting stronger, not weaker. And that's the thing. This is why I don't like correlating it, because the dollar is strong, yes, but GU looks more bullish. Gold looks more bullish. Actually, gold looks quite bearish. But I'm going to go with the individual technicals per pair, not say, oh, because of dollars, it has to do this. I'm not doing that again. But yeah, I have a bullish bias on the dollar, and it's not necessarily correlating with my other pairs, and this is why I keep deleting it, because it's just like, I don't want it to confuse me. But yeah, this week's been pretty good. Birthday gold. Gold, where are you going? But yeah, we'll see what happens. Say we got what do we have tomorrow? We have a lot of news for GJ today. Whole bunch of Bank of Japan stuff. Then tomorrow, a little bit more Japanese news and a little sprinkle of US dollar news at 10. So it's been a good week, though. All right, happy trading.